So we have some brief guidelines in which how to apply exponents when we're dealing with negative rational exponents. Truth is, it doesn't matter in which order you carry out the exponent. So a to the power of negative m over n actually implies three different operations. The negative is the reciprocal if it is negative. If it's not negative, you don't have to do the reciprocal. M is really means to the power. N is the nth root. So really, it doesn't matter which one that we do, just as long as we do it consistently. So I am using Mr. Johansson's notes, and he has said steps. Review the exponents as positive, rewrite the exponents as positive. That means that implies that if it's negative, take the reciprocal. Solve the rational exponent. Find the nth root. And then complete the question. I'm going to do example 2 as follows. Now, when I see negative 8 to the power of negative 2 over 3, positive 8 to the power of 2 over 3, I'm going to write 8 to the power of negative 2 over 3, like that. That's what it means. So as I'm writing this, I can simply take the reciprocal of 8. And that is 1/8 to the power of 2 over 3. That is, I had a negative exponent. I made it positive by taking the reciprocal. The next thing that Mr. Johansson suggests is take the root of that number. So what is the cube root of 1/8? Well, that is 1/3. Sorry, incorrect. That is 1/2. And 1/2 squared yields our final answer of 1/4. There. All of this, so there was actually 3 different mathematical operations hiding in this rational exponent. Let's look on to B. If we have a negative exponent, take care of it by taking the reciprocal. Now what we notice is that the denominator of my rational exponent is 2, which translates into the square root. What is the square root of 36 over 25? Don't panic, because the square root is an exponent, so really you can apply it to the numerator and the denominator independently, and you get 6/5. All right, good times. So let's go on to my last example here. And this is negative 2 to the power of negative 4. Now, do you notice that negative 2 is in brackets? Actually, whenever you're dealing with bases, it's sometimes better to put it in brackets because it shapes your mind and how you think of this. The first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take care of this negative exponent. So I take the reciprocal of negative 2. And the reciprocal of negative 2 is actually negative 1/2. Negative 1/2 to the power of 4. Well, you know that since this exponent is even, and negative number multiplied to itself an even amount of times is always positive. But regardless, I could wrap this up and say negative 1 to the power of 4 times 2 to the or divided by 2 to the power of 4. This is, I'm going to put 8. That was scary. Negative 1 to the power of 4 is 1. 2 to the power of 4 is 16.